everyone, welcome back to STEAM with Miss V. Today we're doing something I love. It's one of my favorite things. It's called a walking rainbow. Before we get started with the actual experiment, let me explain a little bit about what we're going to do today. So what we're going to explore today is the process of diffusion, which is how something is spread out. In this case, it's going to be the water in our experiment, is how the water is spread. And I think the best way to illustrate this is to think about a tree. Now, what do you need for a tree to grow? You need soil, and they need sunlight, and they need water. The trees outside get their water from the rain. The rain falls to the ground, and we're going to explore how the water gets from the ground to the tree and the leaves and how it helps that grow. Let's get started with our experiment. All of the materials I have here I got from the dollar store or from my own house. I have 6 cups, 6 glasses that I've arranged in a circle. Try and make sure that they're clear so that you can see what's happening in them. You need water, which I have here, food coloring, a spoon, I find it helpful to stir in the water, and paper towels. Step 1 is you're going to fill up every other cup almost all the way. So maybe about there. So you're gonna fill one up, skip one, fill one up, skip one, awesome. Next is time for food coloring. We have all of our colors. You want the blue, the red, and the yellow. So let's start with red. You're gonna put about 5 drops of food coloring into that cup. Give it a stir. Awesome. Next, you're going to do the yellow. I would recommend doing more than 5. The yellow can be a little light, and you want to make sure you can see it. And then next is blue. 5 drops of blue. Next step is you have your paper towels. I folded mine in half, the long way. You're gonna put one end in the red and the other in the empty glass. And take your second paper towel and put it in the yellow. And also in this empty glass, you want 2 paper towels in every cup. And now we wait. more than an hour later, and as you can see, our rainbow has started to form. We got some orange in this cup over here. We got green forming over here. The only one that doesn't seem to have really worked is purple. We just think that maybe the paper towels are too thin and the color isn't traveling as well as we thought it would. But I would consider this experiment a success. I think it looks beautiful. I think what's important to remember is that, like I said before, this is showing how the water would travel throughout the tree. It has kind of little pathways that it travels and it goes up and the tree can bloom. So thank you so much, you guys, for checking out our experiment. Let me know if you do it at home. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.